I think health insurance is confusing. So I'm so glad we have Bill Hammett here from Hammett Health Insurance and Services. Why is it so confusing? Why can't there just be like, do this and then we all do it?
Well, you know, health insurance is really a mix of federal laws. It's a mix of compliance. It's a mix of so many different things, and it changes all the time. And you know, so with things changing so much and it being so expensive on top of it, makes it very difficult for people to understand.
So what trends should we be paying attention to in California? Yeah,
you know, California loves to be the leader in legislative action. A lot of the things that happen across the nation start in California. There's always different talks about government-sponsored health insurance. There's a new push for that in Sacramento. That's happening. Infertility benefits have been loaded into many of the health plans. Very exciting for a lot of families that want to grow. So that's been happening.
What should we be doing before we go to the doctor so we don't find ourselves in any like stuck between a rock and a hard place when it comes to pain?
Yeah, you know, we got to be consumers. With healthcare, we're not as much of consumers as we buy cars and clothes, right? As a consumer, before you go to the doctor, make sure your doctor is in network. If you have a PPO plan, make sure they're a network provider. If you have an HMO plan, make sure you're going to your primary care provider.
Why are you so passionate about helping people navigate the health insurance system?
Yeah, you know, I'm born and raised in it. It makes sense to me, but really it's such a human thing. When people call us, they're having a bad day. And navigating who I can go to and what I can see and what it's going to cost is very confusing on top of all the fear that they're going through. And so it's really great to be able to impact people's lives. It's really great work when we can turn somebody around from having a challenge and being afraid to having a successful visit with the best in class providers.
The services that you offer at Hammett Health Insurance Services. So when people are calling you, what are the solutions that you can provide?
Yeah, first it's a lot of questions. You know, what do you have now? What are you trying to accomplish? Who do you want to go see? What's important to you? Is price the most important thing to you? Is access the most important thing to you? Is it Scripps Hospital that's the most important thing to you? So we ask a ton of questions and we help them identify maybe what they currently have and what could replace that. We usually work with mostly businesses, but still individuals and people that are going through Medicare calls all the time, and we help them get them to the right people that can get them the right solutions.
Tony, what's the best way for somebody to start the conversation with you?
Yeah, I'd love to have people go to our Instagram. Healthcare Bill is my Instagram handle. That's an easy one. HammettHealth.com is a great place to find us. But if you are stuck and not knowing exactly what to do, come to us. We can help you through it.